Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Online grocery app, Shift UI and native iOS inside you need to create here the my order details today. Need to first of all the see Flutter app inside you need to how to create this and to check this UI and to this UI we need to convert inside the Shift UI native codings. First of all we need to open here the order list and we need to click this here then to get this order list. First of all to details I need to give here the payments related details need to show here address and order related information need to see here, and then after need to display here the items added inside the carts need to display here, and to amount related need to another box develop and to show here. Let's start. Need to see here the multiples items need to show here the multiple item and look like this. Here's the show. Let me need to start here this UI inside the Swift UI. First of all, so we need to create here the view models for the my place order delivery. It's here the view models to write down. First of all, so we need to copy here the product details. Yeah, we need to need here. Now need to copy. And now need to create here the new files. Write down here the Swift UI. Now need to create here and we have to paste this here the value here to write down here and this here. Now need to go inside the any models and to this here. Now need to set this value, copy this here to write down here the give here the view object. Need to define first of all, need to set here the my offers, my orders need to set this here and to this here put this favorite on this quantity. Unused codes need to remove here and to write down here the and also the my order details yeah and to the order ID. And to go inside the product details models and to some modifications needs here. Need to give here the quantity and after need to give here the order ID and then after need to set here the item price and total price. We now need to set this value here. First of all, need to here's this here. Write down here the UTY. I'm going to depends here the, and then after need to set here the order ID, and now need to set here the order ID. And other things you need to see here the set here. Go inside the price. This here. Write down here the item price. And then after we to set here the total price. Now these modifications are done here, and now need to use this model inside the list. Copy here. Now need to go inside the my order detail view models and to write down here the list array to set this here. Now need to depends here the order view initialize and the brackets need. And now need to check here the view models inside to pass here the parameters. We need to needs here to pass here the order ID. And now need to define here the and now need to set here the this models need to set here spot. Okay, and now need to remove this logics here and to set here the product models need to pass here and set here the list array. And now need to set this here the view models. And now need to remove this here, no needs any API callings, so need to. And afterwards need to write down. And this view models are the complete here, and now need to create here the this view. Need to develop my order details view, need to develop here. First of all need to go inside the view folders and to write down here the accounts inside. Need to create new file and to write down here the last name is my order view details view. And now need to set this here. And now we need to copy here the product details UI. Need to copy here and to paste this here and to write down here the copy all. And now need to go inside here the now need to set here the my order detail models. Need to set this here, write down here set here the models, need to pass this here. And now need to needs here the code SwiftUI HD web image SwiftUI. Need to set this here and to first of all need to set here the titles my order detail and to countless this here to write down here text. Need to set this here the titles. Need here first of all need to give here the and now need to remove this here and to set here the titles my order and to remove this here the share buttons. Now need to remove other things and to remove your unused clear these all things here. And now need to pass here the view models. Need to set product details and this value and now need to paste inside our view. Now need to set here view and to set the need to open here the postmans and need to call this API here. Maybe we need to let's see here we need to call this API my orders response need to needs here first of all need to set here our tokens, go inside the service calls, needs these tokens and now need to this here and here this response here and need to pass this response here needs here the port numbers and to set this response inside here the my orders need to open here the order details and need to set this informations need to here and remove these brackets. Okay, now this data are the set here and this display are the goods and now need to create here the one by ones need to develop here the UI and similar to display need to create this UI here so need to set this here. Now need to create here first of all the which text need to develop here and to set here the order ID, write down the text property we need to use here to set this UI. Now we need to set here the hash. Now need to set here the foreground colors. Need to set here the primary text, and after we need to set here the font. Set here the custom fonts, and to write down here the bold, and to give here the size we need to set here the 20. And then after we need to set here the order ID. Alright. Details, view models, and to get here the product object dot order ID. Set here. Now need to set here the 18s and to this value. This here. It's good. Now we need to set here the get payment status. First of all, need to go here the details and need to put these functions here. Define here the outside. Control Z. Now need to copy and need to paste these functions here the insides. Need to set this here, and first of all need to write down here get payment status and need to here. And then after need to set here the colors. Get payment status colors. Pass this object here. Now need to set this here. Set here, sir. And now need to set here. Need to go the common view address row to needs here the count view rest, and to needs here the this UI, and to set this here this logic here. And now need to adding horizontals. Need to set here 20. And then after me to insert the dates, need to copy years, write down here the created date, and to set here the display formats, to write down here by pass this format here, and to set this set here 12 fonts the regular, and primary text to secondary text. Set this here. Now here the display this UI, and first of all need to set top. Write down here top insets plus set the 460 value need to give here for these paddings here. Now here the display goods here, and to change here the order status, write down here the get status colors need to set this here. To write down here, and then afterwards need to write down here the address need to copy. So here the address. Copy this address row, and now need to paste inside the details to set this here. Write down here the here the second text, and to set here the font, sixteens and regulars, and to set this here. Here not working here there. Things maybe show inside here the open this, you verify the response adds my order. Need to modify here the API callings, need to add here response, need find with details. Here now need to copy address and to set this address first, need here copy and to set this here. Now need to restart this here. Minimize here, and now need to see here the against or the detail view and get this response, get this address here, and now need to set here the bottom paddings needs here. Bottoms Set here. Image need to copy here and paste this here. Down here the set paddings, and now need to write down here the methods tags. Copy here and to paste this here the set here the here, and now need to check here the fonts. Sixteens mediums need to set here, and now need to set this text here. Get delivery type, and to write down here the fonts need to set here the 16 regular, and to set here the background colors, the primary text. Need to set this here, and now need to copy again and to paste this value, and to write down here the payment types, and now need to set here the payment type, now need to set this here done, and this first box are the created here and set here heading. Now need to create here this row need to develop here. First of all need to create here the stack lazy, stack down here for each. Now need to set here the VM dot list array and to the ID. Put this data here, and now need to create here the view. Need to here. We need to set here the now need to first of all create here the common view. We need to copy here this favorite row. Yeah. Write down here the new the safety here, and now need to create here this code here. Write down here ports here UI, and first of all need to set here the titles, then sub names, and remove this next image node here. Now need to get here the checker. Also need set this years. Set this text here. Oh, and now need to set here primary text. Bolts need to set here. Now need to be against years and set here the quantity value past year. Set this years and to past year primary in bolts, and subterm to copy against this value years. And here write down here the multiplication unicodes need to set this here. And then subters need to create here the price. Here item price. Specifiers percent. Yep, set here. And then after need to set here spacer here. And to set here signs set here. And now need to use this row inside here the fields 2 and 2 here past year. Check it past year. Name this here. Okay, here now need to go to the definitions. This here. Here QTY. Now this all value are the set here, and now need to go over the my order view details. Inside need to go here and to set this value here. Now need to and now this by not this set the models and pass this value wrong, that's why not working here. Set here but now need to check against and open set this way response. It's now display here, and now need to here now need to go and this horizontal list on here. Now need to go inside the models and need to set this here padding. Here the Now need to set here the spacing. And to set here and now need to create here this price. Need to set here the UI price UI here. Also need to copy this step, paste this here. First of all, we need to set here the some view need to set here. UI. Suppose need to set here the amount. Now need to set this primary text. Bold. And now need to pass this value. Set here. Size. Now need to set here the specifications. Now need to go this row here, this value, and now need to paste here. And to set here the fonts value, and medium need to set here, and text fonts are the goals. Now need to copy here, paste this. Now need to set here the delivery post. Now need to write down here definitions and delivery price. Set this here, and after we to copy and to here to write down here the discount. Down here sign. Get here the discount. write down here minus dollar signs and to say dollar sign date. Then afterwards we need to create here the divider. Now need to set this here. Again we need to copy, write down here the final totals, need to write down here. And to value, write down here the and bold that here primary text. Set here. Now need to use here the user pay price, you need to set here. Now need to set here the 22 and to set here bold. And now need to go here the UI item rows with not this here. Need to fix this. Write down that here the age. Now need to go inside the view model. Delivery, my order delivery view. Inside need to go and check against. This is the, but not this the second cell. Options. Display this here. Now I am waiting for the load this UI. Now need to configure this UI. Events need to configure inside the my order view. Write down here. Set the navigation. Set here the my order detail. Find with detail model. Checked. It's my object. Past years. Now need to put this all. Set this here. This error issue here. Now need to test this UI here. Display goods. Good. Why not this? Check here. Else. Shears and now display goods here and to go this definition and modify here the padding. Now need to go inside the my order view details and to check against this UI. And now loading this UI and working good this UI. Now need to go inside the my orders. To list here and to open again and to display this here. Display cell may be issue that you not get here at this value. Check again. Check this order ID configurations need to it's here. Not here. Ready. We need to share the new models. This model not working, so I need to create another models. The items models need to see. Now need to paste this. Now need to set the product ID and the ID need to put here. Model here. Add this row and also need to modify inside the view models here. Now need to save here and again need to go inside the common view and to change here models. That is again, so need to go here and you need to use the for each change this here ID. Here. Go inside the my order details and to check against this UI work. Again, need to display at the same issue that here. Here it. Maybe your issue with the order ID working as well. To clear here the button to go. Now need to create here the not to down here ID here no needs, and now need to check. Now need to test this here, and now need to go my order view to here working as well to see check. And now need to write down here the lazy step, need to set this here, and now need to paste this. Now I am waiting for the load this UI and to display here goods, no any issue, and working goods. Issue with the same order ID we need to match, that's why not display here the current value, that's why issue here. First of all, we need to go inside the view models and to test the flow work or not, to set here. Open this here in goods. Now all things are good here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.